Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to measure yarn without a ruler. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have some yarn, and I'm going to show you how to measure it roughly without a ruler. Now, if you want a precise measurement, you're going to need to use a ruler or a tape measure, or a measuring tape, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it a tape measure, other people call it a measuring tape. It's up to you, but you're going to have to use something more precise to measure it if you want a precise measurement. But if you want a rough measurement, okay, you can easily do a rough measurement with yarn without using a ruler. Okay, it's really easy to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a rough measurement in terms of feet. So I'm going to look on my hand and I'm going to imagine that I'm holding the yarn here. So from here to about where on my arm is about a foot. I'm going to say from here to about, I'd say about there, give or take. So from here to about the middle of my forearm is about a foot, give or take. So here's how I'm going to measure a certain number of feet. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab the end of the yarn like that. I've grabbed the end of the yarn, okay? And I'm bringing my other fingers down to about that marking that I sort of visualized. That's 1 foot, okay? Now I'm going to bring this hand up, grab it again, and then slide it down to about the same point. 2 feet. 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, 10 feet. Just like that. So what I did there was I used a rough measurement to get roughly 10 feet of yarn, okay? And I don't know how close I am or how far off I am, but I'm probably pretty close. So you can use that method in terms of number of feet, okay? You can also use other things that you might have. So like in my van, I'm not gonna go and find examples now, but I'm sure I could look around and figure out something that would match, let's say like that I would say, okay, that's about 6 inches. And I could do the same thing, you know, using a different thing to measure. So I could find something that's 6 inches and I could go 6 inches across, you know, 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches, 30 inches, 36 inches, 42 inches, you know, 48 inches, you know, 54 inches, 60 inches, 66 inches, 72 inches. Anyways, you get the idea, okay? We don't need to skip count here. Okay, anyways, you get the idea. The key is to use something that you can say, I know roughly that is that size, give or take, and then just continually run the strand of yarn along it to figure out, you know, what multiple of that unit of measurement you are doing. So I did feet, and then I did 1 foot increments, and then I talked about 6 inch increments. But you could do anything. Like you could do, you know, 1 inch increments if you can find something that's 1 inch. But yeah, that's the general idea for how to measure yarn without a ruler. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it super easily. And that's it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.